Welcome, let's take a quick look at creating classes in OWL. Classes are created by system administrators from the Admin menu. Before you create a class, you will first organize your domain by establishing at least one location, year, term, and course. Now select Classes from the menu and click the Create button on the class list page. The drop-downs for the required fields will be populated with your available selections. Now, enter a name for the section and a period if you wish. Click Save. Now let's look at a student roster for a class. To add a student, select them from the available pool on the right. Click the Add button. Now they are on the class roster listing on the left side of the screen. To remove them, select them from the roster list and click the Add Remove button again. This menu allows you to toggle between the types of rosters. Close the editor when you are finished. Thank you.